Have you ever looked up at the night sky and noticed that the moon looks different each night? One day it's a small curve, a few nights later a big round circle, then it seems to disappear completely. What's happening? The moon isn't changing its shape, it's how much we can see from Earth. This is because of the phases of the moon, a regular pattern every month. The moon orbits Earth, taking about 29 and a half days for a full cycle. It doesn't make its own light, it reflects sunlight. Half of the moon is always lit by the sun, the other half in darkness. As it moves, we see different amounts of the lit side changing its shape. The first phase is the new moon, when it's between Earth and the sun. The side facing Earth is in shadow, so it looks like it disappeared. A few nights later, we see a small curved slice, the waxing crescent. Waxing means getting bigger, and each night the lit part grows. About a week after the new moon, we reach the first quarter. We see half of the moon lit up, looking like a half circle. Next is the waxing gibbous phase, more than half lit, but not yet full. Then comes the full moon, the entire face lit up, bright and round. After the full moon, the lit part begins to shrink, called waning. The next phase is the waning gibbous, more than half lit, but shrinking. About a week after the full moon, we see the last quarter. We see half the moon, but the opposite half from the first quarter. Finally, the waning crescent, a small curve of light remains. Then the cycle returns to the new moon, starting all over again. This cycle takes about 29 and a half days, a lunar month. The moon's phases have been used for thousands of years to track time. Ancient calendars were based on the moon's cycle. Farmers used it to know the best times to plant crops. People held festivals and holidays based on full moons. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth, causing tides. When the moon is above the ocean, it pulls the water toward it. This makes high tide, and on the other side, another high tide happens. In between, the water is pulled away, causing low tide twice a day. The moon's gravity helps keep Earth steady, stopping it from wobbling. This makes our seasons more regular. The moon is about 239,000 miles away from Earth, a fourth the size of Earth. It's made of rock with no air or water, covered in craters. Even though it looks peaceful, it has an exciting history. In 1969, astronauts landed on the moon, walked on its surface. They brought back rocks and soil, helping scientists learn more. You can explore the moon yourself by keeping a moon journal. Go outside each night and draw what the moon looks like. After a few weeks, you'll see the pattern of phases. It's a fun way to connect with the sky. Another way to learn is with a flashlight and a ball. Pretend the flashlight is the sun and the ball is the moon. Move the ball around yourself. Notice how the lit part changes. That's what we see from Earth. The moon has inspired stories, poems, and songs. It's been a guide in the night sky for travelers and dreamers. Now that you know why the moon changes shape, look up with new wonder. Remember, the moon is always there, even when we can't see it. It's going through its cycle, lighting up the night, pulling the tides, keeping Earth company in space. That's why the moon changes shape, showing us different parts of its sunlit side. It will keep doing this every month, over and over again.